Thuli Tables are state-of-the-art chiropractic tables. Firstly, because I am a licensed chiropractor. I know what table needs to do so that the chiropractors that are buying our tables can perform their technique. Secondly, we have the good fortune to know a lot of really good craftsmen that we get to work with. And they are inspiring to me. And I want to be among that group of people that just manufactures the best product in its category. And that can only happen when you really care.
We realize the importance of beauty in people's lives. When patients come into a beautiful room with a beautiful table, it puts them at ease and it has a healing quality. We put a lot of effort into the craftsmanship of our tables, the joinery of our tables, the wood that we use. When you look at one of our tables, it just really feels good. It's like looking at a piece of art.
Originally, my first table was by me asking upperclassmen students where I was going to college at Palmer College, what do you want in a design? Because the chiropractic tables that were available at the time were too expensive. And having a design background myself, I thought that I could make something better for less. And then we delivered our tables and they say, oh, this is great, but what did you think about doing this or that? And still to this day, we respond to customers' requests.
Being in direct communication with our customers has always been a big part of our business. When our customers call us with a question, they get a real person on the phone. Whether they need help picking out a table or they have an issue they're trying to troubleshoot, we can step into the next room and have the rest of our staff help out with a question. Whatever it is you need, we've got your back.
One of the things that I often say is that I welcome problems. Solving design problems is how we got into this business in the first place. Because 90% of the competition doesn't want to deal with that problem. Well, if it's a problem that is the request of a customer, if you're willing to take it on and prototype, that's what makes this business fun, to tell you the truth. Here at Thuli Tables, we've made a lot of tables. We've been doing it for 40 years. I love coming here every morning. I love watching people operating their machinery and making really high precision, cool parts. Ostensibly, we're building tables. But what I got out of it and what I get out of it now is being with my friends. So it's not the product itself, but it's the process and the interactions with one another in that process. And to connect that to my favorite table, which is just a dining table that I built, I'm not enamored with the table itself, but what the table does in interacting with other people. Because at this table, my family, my friends sit together and break bread. There's nothing better in my life than that.